PTC Mathcad offers an Excel component that allows you to leverage data in existing spreadsheets. When you combine the engineering power of PTC Mathcad with the familiarity of Excel's tabular data capabilities, you'll save time and effort, improve visibility and sharing, and experience better integration with legacy systems. Take an existing Excel spreadsheet and select the content you would like to include in your PTC Mathcad worksheet. Copy and paste this content directly into an Excel component with no data loss. All data, calculations, and formatting are retained, and we can further format the data for a more presentable layout. Extract the data contained in the Excel component so you can use them in PTC Mathcad. Include units in the definition so you can leverage the software's unit intelligence. Now let's define a new variable above the component and pass this variable in. The data automatically populates in the Excel component, and we can leverage conditional formatting in Excel as a visualization aid. Using the Excel component is simple yet powerful. The intuitive configuration provides many benefits when it comes to working with data and exchanging that data between Excel and PTC Mathcad. Using the Excel components is simple yet powerful. The intuitive configuration provides many benefits when it comes to working with data and exchanging that data between Excel and PTC Mathcad.